Big news for Samsung fans. The Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most exciting flagship releases, with new designs, powerful hardware, and game-changing updates. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so we can meet again in new videos. And I love your That Hit action. Let's dive into all the details, from the release timeline to the sleek new Galaxy S25 Ultra, and even potential surprises in store for 2025. I will explain it one by one. Let's start. Now, point 1 is, early launch and pre-reservation. Samsung is kicking off 2025 with a bang. The Galaxy S25 is expected to launch earlier than usual, continuing the trend of January unveilings. According to leaks, pre-reservations could open as early as January 5th, 2025, following a recent survey sent to Galaxy users in Vietnam. This survey hinted at exciting discounts, including a 10% voucher for early reservations. With the Galaxy S25 announcement likely between January 15th to 20th, Samsung is once again aiming to outpace its competition by getting a head start in the new year. Now, point number 2. Design overhaul and Ultra variants. The Galaxy S25 Ultra brings a refreshing design shift, featuring softer, rounded corners compared to the sharp, angular edges of the S24 Ultra. This redesign gives the device a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the Galaxy Note 20. While the edges remain flat, the slightly curved corners make it easier to hold, and the phone will be thinner and lighter than its predecessor. Available in titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, and titanium silver, the S25 Ultra continues Samsung's tradition of offering vibrant color choices. Let me know in the comments which color you're most excited about. Now, point 3, performance powerhouse. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 series will be powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, delivering top-notch performance. The Ultra model will reportedly come with up to 16 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and gaming. Benchmarks for the S25 Ultra already show incredible scores, highlighting its raw power. Meanwhile, the display on the S25 Ultra will see significant improvements in brightness, color accuracy, and viewing angles, potentially using the advanced M14 OLED material, also seen in the iPhone 16 Pro series. Point 4 is software and AI features. The S25 series will debut with One UI 7.1, packed with new AI-powered features. While the S24 series is testing One UI 7.0, the 7.1 update will likely be exclusive to the S25 at launch, offering an enhanced user experience tailored for flagship devices. Point 5 is Galaxy S25 Slim and future innovations. In a surprising move, Samsung is reportedly preparing to launch a Galaxy S25 Slim later in 2025. This model aims to compete directly with Apple's rumored iPhone 17 Slim, focusing on a thinner, high-end design. Additionally, rumors suggest Samsung is exploring new form factors, including a potential TriFolding phone, which could debut as early as 2025. With a possible shakeup in Samsung's leadership, the company might take more risks to innovate and capture consumer attention. Now, the 6th point is, what's next for Samsung? As Samsung looks to redefine its flagship lineup, rumors of a Galaxy rebranding are also making waves. The company might separate its premium S and Z series from the Galaxy name, creating a more distinct identity for its high-end devices. This shift could elevate Samsung's flagship models, aligning them with luxury branding strategies seen in industries like automobiles. While this change isn't confirmed for the S25, it could happen in future releases. What do you think of the Galaxy S25 series so far? Are you excited about the redesigned Ultra model, the potential Slim variant, or the new features in One UI 7.1? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on all things tech. Stay tuned for more updates, and I'll see you in the next one.